In this tutorial, I'll show you how to refactor code using ChatGPT Codex to make your programs cleaner, easier to maintain, and more efficient. Start by signing in to your ChatGPT account and opening the Codex workspace. Next, open your coding environment or connect your GitHub repository if you're working on an existing project. Once your project is ready, click New Task to create a coding request. Instead of asking Codex to write new code, you'll ask it to improve code that already exists. For example, imagine you have a Python function that's difficult to read because everything is written in one block. You could give Codex a prompt like this: refactor this Python function to improve readability. Use descriptive variable names, break repeated logic into helper functions, add comments where appropriate, and keep the same functionality. Or if you're working on a website, you could ask refactor this HTML and CSS by removing duplicate styles, organizing the layout, and improving readability without changing the appearance of the page. After submitting your request, Codex will analyze the existing code and generate a cleaner version while preserving the original functionality. It will also explain what changes were made and why those improvements help. Take time to compare the original code with the refactored version. Look for improvements such as better formatting, simpler logic, reusable functions, clearer variable names, and reduced duplication. If your project includes tests, review or run them to verify that the refactored code still behaves exactly as expected. If you'd like to make further improvements, simply continue the conversation. You can ask Codex to optimize performance, improve documentation, simplify complex functions, or follow a specific coding style. Once you're satisfied with the updated code, approve the changes and merge them into your project. Using Codex for refactoring is a great way to improve code quality while learning better programming practices from the AI's explanations. And that's how to refactor code using ChatGPT Codex. Submit your existing code, review the improvements, verify the results, and integrate the cleaner version into your project.